Hi, my name is Emma Kate, and this is my Project 3 checkpoint. Um, so I'll just show you. This is my Project 2. Um, but this is going to be my profile checkpoint 3 on my revisions on how I made it better. So the first thing is I put the title up here. Before I had it down here and just had this blank and just had it with a picture and no title on top of it. Now I put the title on top of it. I think it makes it look better. I love the stone in the back and the bed. I think it looks really cute. And then this is how to make your bed and how to make it a habit. This is basically what I'm going to be talking about through the whole piece. And so I put it right there. And then I start off with why you should make your bed every morning. And I put evidence of a little YouTube video. I never really had this added before. So I added this YouTube clip because one of my friends found it and was like, oh, you should put it in your project. And I was like, great idea. And I watched it and it goes perfectly with what I'm trying to say. So I did that. And then before, I usually just had the pictures of how to make your bed and then just the steps on how to do it. But then I added little details on what you're supposed to do to clear your bed, how you're supposed to put the fitted sheet on, how to make hospital corners, how to put the top sheet on, how to put the comforter on, and then how to fold it down, fluff the pillows, and how to do the finishing touches and what that is. I added all that, and then I also added um a how to make it a habit. I realized that in my title, I put how to make it a habit, but I never really talked about ways and how to make it. So in here, I put different ways and how it helps us get our tasks done, and how if you keep doing it and keep having the motivation, you'll eventually create a habit. So I put added that, and then I already have those. But yeah, I would just say I added the little extra details in the steps. I added how to make it a habit. I added the YouTube video and then this on top of the picture, which I think all put it together very well. Let me know if I should add anything else, maybe some more color in the background or something. But yeah, that's my portfolio checkpoint number 3. Thank you so much.